Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download NetMirror on an Amazon Fire TV stick. Let's get started. First, turn on your TV and make sure your Fire TV stick is connected to the internet. Now go to the home screen. At the top, click on Settings. Next, select On My Fire TV. Now click on Downloader options. Turn on apps from unknown sources. If you see install unknown apps, open it. We will allow the app later. Now go to the home screen, click on the search icon and type downloader. Select the downloader app and click download or get. Once downloader is installed, open it and click allow if it asks for permissions. In the downloader search box, type a trusted APK website like www.apkmirror.com and press go. On the website, search for NetMirror APK, select the correct version and start the download. After the download finishes, click install. Wait a few seconds for the installation to complete. When it's done, click done. You can delete the APK file to save space. Now go to settings, then application, then manage install application and open NetMirror. And that's it. You have successfully installed NetMirror on your Amazon Fire TV stick. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.